Hey guys, it's me again, coming to you with a traveler's notebook layout, and I have started the wooden one that I got, I believe, from Colorcast, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely Colorcast. I haven't added all the rings because I'm going to be adding the pages, so I don't want it to be having to undo each one every time. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. This is what I'm starting. I did back it with this white paper, but I don't actually like it now, so I think I'm gonna go with a darker color. I'm not sure though. So anywho, I am doing a page of my little god babies. Bring you in a little bit. And I was thinking, because I was gonna mat it, excuse me, but I was thinking I could use the labels, and I already stamped on that one. So my plan. Okay, and just to verify, or just to let you know, on this one, that bottle is empty. It's not like he's got a bottle of pills in his mouth or anything. But I know how it looks, so just so you know. Clarify, that's what I'm looking for here. Okay, here we go. Grab a little piece of washi tape. Okay, now what I think I'm going to do, I don't really know how this is going to work out for me. I am using the Citrus Twist January Life Crafted Kit, which is totally adorable if you haven't seen it yet. Some of them I wanted to put above, some below. Like the ones I cut in half, I'm putting those below. Uh-oh. Well, dadgummit. Okay, now let's try this again. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll make them all below it. And that way I won't cover my face up there. Oh, this was supposed to go down here. Oh, that'd be fine, I guess. Nope, don't like it. Change my mind. I can do that. And I don't think I mind them being a little bit longer there. Uh-oh. Not 100% sure yet, but we shall see. I'm going to leave that one with a little bit of a border down there. And, oh, no. Come back here. This is so totally new. It's not, I mean, I don't know if I've seen somebody do this before or not. I don't think I have. But when I say that doesn't mean much, I mean it. Okay. I think now I do like having the ones that have an end to them. That doesn't make much sense, does it? I think I'm going to put that one on top. Okay, good. Alrighty. I hope this fits. I always do that. I always plan my page out or whatnot, and then it just don't fit on the page. I think it'll be okay though, because I have a little overhang on my album. because this is just one of the sheets from the Citrus Twist kit, and I just cut it down, cut like a just a little bit off the edge there. There we go. And this one says Cozy Mornings, because I'm sure this was morning time when we took these pictures, and I will, I think, cover that up just a little bit, that extra edge there. And I did want to pop in a flower or two just to cover up those awkward intersections, you know. And I wanted to put these hearts on here. Maybe I'll put them right there. There we go. That's good. Okay, and then I don't know. Do I want words? I have another pack here that I didn't even bring out. Oh, I like Hello Love, but that's gonna cover up. I like Together. Oh yeah, we'll put that over here. Just to kind of keep it all around there, if that makes any sense at all. I think those are going to be too big, so, and I think there's enough words on there, so I'm going to pop these back in here. And let's see. I don't know about those. I don't know. Glitter hearts aren't feeling. That's kind of cute. I know I just said enough words, but do you really ever have enough words? Yes, you do. Okay, let's grab out some sprinklies. I am definitely accumulating 18 million of these bags. Okay, I'm thinking, I wonder if my friend could use those for her homeless outreach. I don't know. I'm using these enamels, for one, because it's time to start using them up, and for two, because I don't want to wait for it to dry, so this way I can go ahead and get them put up into the album, I mean. No, that's too close. Okay. No, that's just more work. Man, you would not believe how many items I have with just words on them. It's kind of ridiculous. It's pretty simple. I can't believe that took me 10 minutes, but here we are. Alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. And if you're feeling like you could deal with me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye!